covered, yep. All of it's covered in flour. So get this, like a spoon, or get this.
Is it good enough?
As long as it's all covered. Huh. Oh yeah, sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle.
They're easy to arrange.
Yes.
Sorry if I make it messy.
That's all right.
I'm very busy, as you can see. So do not bother the chef. There.
Not again.
4 chickens for $1 and get 1 for free.
Put it down gently, okay? So it doesn't.
Oh yeah, I
spread.
cooked that.
Okay.
He was practicing. You know what? Oh, smart, Grandma.
Now throw it in now gently, okay? Because the oil will splash. One more. Put it in the oil. Come back. There we go. There we go.
Good job, Chef Derek.
Good job.
Yeah, pulling up, it's like 13, 14, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I figured you'd like this big.
What is it?
Good? Doesn't it taste so
Chicken Katsu.
Good.
Yummy. Looks
Chicken,
delicious.
broccoli, and carrots. I made all of those. He hasn't tried it yet. These carrots are amazing. This chicken is amazing.